sunflower plants. We're growing sunflower to make oil so we can use it for cooking. We estimate that when you put your seeds or your plants in this planter, turn it on, you never water, you never feed, you only supplement the plant, that we can grow lots and lots of sunflowers from this one planter. As a matter of fact, we're aiming to grow at least about a half a gallon. That's our goal. Because one sunflower head, if you squeeze it, all those oils will come out. So you don't have to, you can get natural, original oil as it was intended. Or, you can grow a huge sunflower plant. Torpedopot draws the carbon out of the air, places it and creates it into something that you can use, where you can place it on your table. These are self-growing planters. They're designed to grow your food wicked fast with no human intervention. Now remember, I got my seeds from the store, filled my planter up, put my seeds in my planter, turn my planter on, set my timer, add my supplements once a week or once a month, whatever you decide to do, and let your plants grow. These are sunflower plants. We started them as seeds. These are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. So all you do is stick your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food ever again. Every last one of them showing the same consistencies. Isn't that beautiful? That's Torpedopot. That's a self-growing flower pot that grows your food with no human intervention. You do absolutely nothing. Just advertise. If one Torpedopot, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants in it. So let's say we get 4 plants in each planter. We have 10 plants. The 4 plants, one plant can generate 8 heads. So you're looking at 32 heads per planter. You're looking at over 300 heads. And a little is 20 by 20 feet. 300 sunflower heads growing by themselves with no human intervention. And I'll say right now, this thing has got to be at least, I don't know how many feet. Let's take a look at it. Wow, taller than me. Over 7 feet. Wow, or six something. Jeez, that's amazing. Boy, and I love to see the heads of them. They're beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful, guys. They're really beautiful. We've been down so you guys can actually see it a little bit better. Oh, man, I just can't get over the growth of these plants. It's just so gorgeous. In every way, they're just so beautiful. Every way. I love looking at it. I'm sitting here all day long looking at my plants. Well, so I want you to understand, Torpedopot grows your food. This is a self-growing planter, and it grows your food for you. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. It'll grow things that you won't even, the food that you think you can't grow, you put it in this planter, and it will grow it for you. That's the job of this planter. Self-growing planters, they're called Torpedopots. Put your Torpedopot, your seeds in there, and it'll grow it for you.